Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl Taya B, and you already know what time it is for your girl to be. True. So you guys, today I am going to do a video on eating McDonald's for 24 hours. And on we'll go. Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting because I don't eat McDonald's like that. And there's actually something from McDonald's that I want to try, like their morning breakfast stuff. And oh lordy, we gonna see how this gonna go. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. Hit that bell so you're notified every single time I drop another video for the channel. And come along with me. So you guys, I'm at the drive-thru and I'm still trying to decide what else I want to eat. Maybe I think I have an idea what I want. We'll see how this goes. Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Well, thank you. Can I please get a McGriddle?
What kind of McGriddle?
The bacon, egg, and cheese.
Okay, did you want to make it a combo?
No, thank you. And can I also get hotcakes as well, please?
Yeah.
With bacon.
Okay.
And that's it, love.
Okay, it's gonna come to 9.70.
Perfect. Thank you so much. $10 for two little items. My God. Jesus. What the hell? Should have got a hot chocolate too, but I don't like McDonald's hot chocolate, so your girl ain't drinking that stuff. So you guys, I'm home. So this is my McGriddle. Are they big enough napkins now? Right there. You need 2 of these. And some butter for my hot cakes. Okay, so this is a joke. This is absolutely a joke. Because I said I wanted hot cakes and bacon, right? I remember that. Why is it that they gave me 2 decade slices of bacon? Like what? Whatever. When people say bacon, they want bacon, you know? Ooh. Okay, you can try. So a friend of mine actually gets this all the time. I think they get sausage. I'm not a fan of sausage, but I'm gonna try this for the first time. Oh, it smells so good. It's so tiny, but okay. This isn't bad. Wow. Is what I've been missing out on this whole time? This is good. This is really good. Wow. God, the cheese is just melted. This tastes actually really good. I didn't think it was gonna taste this great, but want to bring something to your attention. Well, there's a couple questions I want to ask you guys. You guys can comment down below and let me know your answers. What kinds of things do you guys want to see me do in a cooking vlog? Like, what kind of food do you guys want me to cook? This will be very interesting because I'm sure some people are going to comment some things that I've never cooked or probably things I don't even eat. And if you comment one of those and I make it, y'all gotta come for your food because I'm not eating it. But yeah, just comment down below those two things. But you guys, right now, I'm exhausted. I went to bed. I got home at 2. Had a little gathering with a couple friends, a couple girls, you know, a couple of my little friends. It was nice because I haven't seen one of them. I haven't seen her in, well, both of them actually. I haven't seen them in, I want to say, well, 2 years now. That's crazy. So it was a nice little, you know, just a couple people. But yeah, just comment them. Alright, picking up my griddle. Let me see how these pancakes are. Looks much nice, fun. Now, do you guys like butter on your pancakes? Because, hold on one second, guys. I thought it was 2 pieces of bacon, right? A bacon and a half? Love me some bacon. But a bacon and a half? Where's the rest of the bacon at? Like, hello? You don't like bacon? I'm lying. A friend of mine from work, she don't like bacon. She thinks it's disgusting. She thinks it's disgusting. I don't know how it's disgusting. One thing about me, guys, I love me some pancakes, because very Canadian of me, eh? And yes, guys, I went outside in a t-shirt, but I was in a vehicle, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Knife and fork. Yeah. Fork. Well, I'm holding it the wrong way, but knife and fork. Fork. Fork, you know? Let me see how this goes. Hold on. You know, when I was a kid, McDonald's hot cakes. Not pancakes, hot cakes. They were nicer before, back in the day. Back in the day. They were way nicer before. Let me say this. Wait, the McDonald's? I have a question. The McDonald's? I like this one, yeah. I like the McGriddle better. Did McDonald's bring back their Cinemelts? Because I missed that. I missed when they had that. You guys, I'm gonna devour this. And I'll see y'all when it's lunchtime. Well, my lunchtime, considering it's like 11 o'clock or something like that in the morning. So my lunchtime is at about like about 2. I'll get my lunch and I'll be like, I'll get my dinner. See you guys in a minute. So you guys, I just ordered my lunch. I don't know how people do this in reality. Like, yo, first of all, McDonald's can be quite addicting, I can tell you that much. Yeah, I just ordered my meal. When I get back home, I will obviously let you guys know and show you wagwan with the wagwan. Now dinner is gonna be the, like, what am I gonna eat? You know? Like the little rumble in the jungle, in my little belly, you know? So we'll see how this goes, but yeah, shall be interesting. So stay tuned, guys. Well, you guys, I got my lunch. Good luck to me, because yeah, Coke. In a minute. Got a 6-piece nugget. 6-piece nugget meal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 here. There's 6 of them. Alright. My fries just now. I love my sweet and sour sauce. Love my sweet and sour sauce. I don't even eat my fries with ketchup at all. But you guys, I don't know if I can make it to dinner because like, I love McDonald's fries. I really do. I feel like McDonald's fries is one of the best fast food fries out there. But like, or if not the best. But in this, my second meal, thus far, it's a lot on the system, yo. I need to detox after this. Like, I really need to detox. Because salt, oil, and preservatives. I haven't had nuggets in a minute. Let's see. The last time I had nuggets, you all know what happened. Let me see. Tastes good. What's funny is, I was just talking to my mom about this before I left to go get this. It's like, when we were kids, this never cost what it costs now. Like, and people wonder why when I go to McDonald's, I get the same thing all the time. But I love the fries. I mean, I forgot to tell them, like I usually do, for fresh fries. You know? But I actually started to get hungry. So like by the time I got to the drive-thru, I forgot to tell them fresh fries. Thinking like a crazy person that I am, forgetting that I still gotta drive to come back home to eat. You know what I mean? But yeah, these fries could have been hotter, but oh well. It's called fast food for a reason. No? But you guys, part of me wants to change the color of my hair. Now, with changing the color of my hair, it's a process. Thank God. I know right now it doesn't look like it, but like there's a lot of new growth of my hair. So I can cut off the red and I can dye my hair a different color. The thing is, I don't know what color to go back to. I've done almost every color, if not every color in the book. So, I want you guys to help me if I decide to change color. Which I don't know if I will, because red, this is my third time doing red, and red has always been my color. So to go back to any other color, I think would be a little bit hard. But if I had to choose, it would be in between, what I do? I don't know if I would do my green hair again, but I feel like I would go between either red or purple. Like a nice purple. That sounds like a good idea. But what color purple? Color purple, you get it. But what shade of purple? Oh shit. But yeah, comment down below and tell me what you guys think. What color do you think I should do my hair? And I'm asking because not this time around. No, maybe. Knowing me, I change my mind all the time. But I might change it. So I might just do red when I touch it up again, and then grow it out again, and maybe change it then, like going into summer. Well, what month are we? We're in March. April, May, June, July, so it's 4 months. I mean, I've cut off all my hair before, so I can always do it again. Hair grows back. But yeah, comment down below and tell me what colors you guys suggest me to do, and let me know, because I don't know. I don't know. My hair is such a weird thing. Like, I had long hair, didn't want it anymore. I said cut it off. Well, sorry, I had long hair, didn't want it anymore, so I shaved the back. When I shaved the back, you know how a lot of people did the undercut, which was only like a little bit. I did like a lot more, and then after a couple months of that, I was over it, so I just shaved the side. And then going into 2019, I just said, cut it off, cut it all off. And lo and behold, my hairdresser hooked this head top of mine up. Shaved it. Well, it was really low. Actually, I'm gonna insert a picture here to show you guys what it looked like when I first cut it all off. And I cried. I cried till I couldn't cry anymore. And then after like, I think it was about 2 or 3 weeks, I was like, forget it. This is me. I'ma rock it. I ain't changing it. I'ma keep it. And here we are in 2021, and your girl hair is still short. Yeah, I ain't growing it back. Oh man. Finishing this is hard, bro. But yeah. You guys are gonna be with me on my journey of my hair. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. But no. Just don't forget to comment down below colors of hair y'all want to see me do. Because some of you guys, my new family out there, you guys haven't seen me with color hair. So let me know. I can get it done for y'all. Alright? Let's get it. See ya in a minute. Well, you guys, it's my dinner time. McDonald's. Let me tell y'all what I got. Let me tell y'all what I got. I'll tell y'all in a second. I got obviously my fries. My fries. And Junior chicken combo. Now this is what I got. Because I love my Junior chicken combos. Now I'm eating dinner so late because I had to actually run an errand for my mom, and boy oh boy did that take forever. Line up Bath and Body Works. Yo, things are on sale. You gotta get them, you know, for the low. You guys, I can't believe I actually did this today. Sorry, I'm putting sweet and sour sauce on my Junior chicken. It's so good, don't mind me. But yeah, I can't believe I actually ate McDonald's for 24 hours. Absolutely crazy, absurd. Oh, sorry. I enjoy my breakfast, and I'm enjoying my dinner. My lunch, them nuggets weren't hitting. But the ginger bubble, it's hitting. But when I'm done eating this, your girl's gonna be drinking some tea. It's gonna wash her all the way out. Flush all of this out. Every piece of it. It's gonna be a long night. A long night. It's real fun. But I don't even know like how people eat out every day. Like, this is hard. Like, the body can't take this. Like today, doing this, I mean, I'm grateful that I know how to cook. I'm just lazy to cook. But this has given, like, after today, this has given me a different outlook, and be grateful that I know how to do something, and I should just do it more often. Because this is laziness on a whole nother level. On my end, I'm not saying for other people. Because a lot of us know how to cook and do certain things, but because we're able to do other things to make it easier for us, we just don't do them, you know what I mean? And cooking, I used to love to cook. And I still love to cook, it's just I got so accustomed to the partying life and going out all the time and being on the go, so I was never able to shouldn't say I wasn't able to. I just got so accustomed to the lifestyle of just being on the go and just cook and not cooking and just take it and doing takeout, that it just became like my everyday. And then COVID happened and here I am. Oh man, this is good. Oh my god. So you guys, like this tastes so good. Like the June chicken tastes really good. It's just the body is like, my girl, what are you feeding me? First of all, today was the first day that I've actually had breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because I don't eat breakfast usually. Like I eat breakfast things, but not breakfast time. So like I do the what's it called, intermittent fasting. So, but I do it by default. It's not like how people are on a time manner with it. I'm more on the when I wake up out of bed. So I'll be up, I just don't leave my room or my bed until a certain time. And so let's say the 8 hours in the night that I'm sleeping, there's 8 hours of me fasting, and then I may not leave my bed until maybe 11:30, 12. So I'm not eating, and it's strictly water. So doing this today, I feel like tomorrow I'm not gonna eat anything all day. I feel like tomorrow I'm just gonna, I might eat something, but it'll probably be in the evening time and give my body like the whole day. I keep hitting the plant. It'll be the whole day of me just giving my body a break and just probably lots of fluids, no food. And if I'm gonna have food, it would be like fruits, because I have a couple mango. I have a couple mangoes that I want to eat. Might eat one tonight though. But I probably have like mangoes and an apple and banana, like fruits and vegetables. Although I just mentioned a bunch of fruits, and just eat that to kind of give my body a break from food. Sorry, it's stuck in my mouth. But yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna finish this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And make sure you guys hit that bell so you're notified every single time I drop another video with the channel. See ya in my next video.